Hello everyone! Today we'll learn how to find the percentage increase, original value, find new value, and to find increase in value by completing a table. How do we calculate if one of the values is missing? Watch closely as I go through each example step by step. Now let's get started. Alright, let's start with this example. To solve it, we'll be using the formula. And the formula is new value minus original value divided by the original value times 100%. In this example, the missing value is percentage increase. Let's substitute the value of new value. New value is 100 minus the original value is 90 divided by the original value, which is 90, times 100%. Next, 100 minus 90 is 10, divided by 90. So 10 is the increase in value. Okay, 10 over 90 times 100. So 10 divided by 90 is 0.11. To get the percentage increase, we multiply it by 100%. So 0.11 times 100% is 11%. And that is the percentage increase. Okay, we have the next example. Our given in this table, which is the original value 125, and also given the percentage increase, which is 20%. And missing value is the new value and increase in value. Okay, so let's try using the given formula. New value is unknown, missing, minus the original value, which is 125, divided by the original value, which is 125, times 100. So we cannot use this formula in finding the new value and increase in value. So we have an alternative solution. We have our step number 1. Find the increase in value. To find how much it increased, multiply the original value, which is 125, by the percentage as a decimal, which is 20%. So again, to find the increase, multiply 125 times 0.20. So 125 times 0.20, the answer is 25. Okay, therefore, the increase in value is equal to 25. Okay, now let's continue. Since we already have an increase in value, which is 25, we can now solve the new value. Okay, to find the new value, we're going to add the increase to the original value, which is 125. Okay, again, to find the new value, we're going to add 125, which is the original value, plus 25, which is the increase in value. Then 125 plus 5 is 150. Therefore, the new value is 130. Okay, again, in this table, our original value is 125 and new value is 150. Then the increase in value is 25. Okay, to get the percentage increase, it is equal to 20%. Okay, now let's have the next table. In this table, our given are original value, which is 526, increase in value, which is 494, percentage increase is 94%. Okay, our missing value is new values. Okay, we substitute new value, which is unknown, minus the original value, which is 526, divided by the original value, which is 526, times 100%. Okay, again, we cannot solve or we cannot find new value using the formula. Okay, we're going to use an alternative solution. To find the new value, we're going to add the increase to the original value. We're going to add 526 plus 494. And the answer is 1,020. Our new value is 1,020. In this table, our new value, which is 320.5, and increase in value, which is 50.5. Missing values, we have the original value and missing percentage increase. Okay, to find the original value and percentage value, let's substitute the following. Okay, so let's substitute 320, which is the new value, minus the original value over original value times 100. Again, we cannot solve this problem using the formula. Again, we use the alternative solution. Okay? First step is to find the original value. To find the original value, okay, we're going to find the difference between new value and the increase in value. So we have new value is 320.5, while increase in value is 50.5. Then 320.5 minus 50.5 is 270. Okay, therefore, our original value is 270. To find the percentage increase, we use the formula, new value minus the original value over or divided by original value. Yeah, and let's substitute the value, which is new value is 320.5 minus the original value is 270. Divided by, again, the original value, which is 270 times 100. Okay, next step is to simplify. 320.5 minus 270 is 50.5. Then divided by 270 times 100. Next, 50.5 divided by 270 is 0.19. Times 100 equals 19%. Therefore, the percentage is increased in this table is 19%. Okay, so that's all for now, and thank you for watching. Please don't forget to like, share, and subscribe. Thank you.